guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new, thanks so much for joining. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for coming back. So today, I guess today is going to be like a get ready with me type of thing. I already got my clothes on because I wanted to get them on because today is my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. I already told you this, happy birthday, but when this video drops, it's not gonna be your birthday anymore. But regardless, I haven't done a makeup look in a minute. I feel like since we've been in quarantine, I only did makeup looks like once a month, and I filmed one for you guys, but the other one I didn't film. So today I'm gonna do something simple because of course we're still in quarantine. So on my way, I'm not gonna be, and I'm gonna have my mask on. So I'm not gonna do any like foundation or anything. I'm just gonna do my brows because that's not covered, and my eyeshadow, and we're gonna call it a day because yeah. So we're just gonna focus on up here. So I'm gonna start with my brows. Now I will leave everything that I use in the description box because I can't remember everything on top of my head. I gotta go look for products. But as I always say, I am still a beginner to doing makeup, so you know, no makeup guru. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead with my Maybelline brow pomade, and I believe this is in the blackest brown, but like I said, I will leave all the products in the description box for you guys. So that's what I always start with. So now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I don't remember what color I have it in, so I will definitely leave that down below for you guys. Oh, I was like, where did I go? Alright, so I went to go get my makeup meaning my palettes, because I have that in a separate area, and I was like, how am I doing a makeup look with no palette? So I'm gonna use my Juvia's palette, the Masquerade. Juvia's palette, Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette. And I don't remember what this color is, so I will definitely be leaving it down below for you guys. And to be honest, a lot of my makeup looks aren't planned. That's just my, what you call this thing? My spray. So just came out of nowhere. At least I'm not scared of it anymore, because if you used to watch my old videos, it used to scare me while filming. But anyway, so I was just starting with the lighter brown. I didn't plan this look. I just kind of went with it and just created stuff. So this color is like a brownish, kind of goldish color, but like I said, I'll leave them down below. So I said I'll just top that on. And then I think topped it off with the little like orange color. Sorry, I had to check if my camera's still on, because my camera is one of those cameras that shuts off and sometimes I don't hear it, especially when I'm listening to music. So okay, blending that in, blend, blend, blend. And then what are we doing next, Abigail? What are we doing next? Okay, we're singing, but are we getting stuff? Alright. Gonna do the eyelashes. Alright. So I thought I was gonna do my eyelashes, but then I was like, you know what? I want to add something else, so I'm not done. I'm using my Cargo Cosmetics. This is actually an eyeshadow stick, and yeah, which is pretty cool. I got this in a box one time for free, so I thought it was just cool because it just, first of all, you can easily just add the eyeshadow color of your choice on your eyes, and it's like simple like that. I thought it was interesting because I've never tried an eyeshadow stick. And then I just did that kind of like on the bottom lids, I guess you could say, of my eyes. And then I blended that in. Why am I up again? Oh, I thought my camera shut. I had to keep on checking. I'm sorry, guys. In the midst of me listening to music. So now I'm using the CoverGirl, I believe, or no, is that Maybelline or CoverGirl? I don't know. I'll leave it down in the description. For my eyelashes. And maybe one day I will try out the fake eyelashes. I can't promise nobody anything. Maybe the magnetic ones. I was contemplating maybe trying those. And last but not least, I'm going to be using, I didn't even show you guys the product, but this is the Revlon lip gloss that I got, I believe, for testing purposes a while back. Anyway, so I was like, I'm going to just put it on a simple lip gloss, although it's going to come off when I put on my mask. That's why I said I was going to focus on my eyes, like, and up there, because mask is going to cover everything else up. So I didn't do the normal foundation or all that other extra stuff that I normally do because I thought it made no sense. But anyway, this is the look that I accomplished. It's kind of simple, but make sure you like and you comment and subscribe.